Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for fall. Fall is just my season, month, time of the year. It is all that, and it is everything to me. I'm wearing my party animal Chewbacca shirt because I couldn't find any of my Halloween shirts, but this one will work. So today I'm going to be doing a little fall haul for you guys of Halloween decor that I got for my house and for my desk at work, and just because I'm a crazy person and I love fall. And so let's just get started into this haul. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video, ring my bell, and I'm going to show you guys what I got. Hey guys, so I'm in my car. I'm about to go to school because it's my day off, but I want to go in and get my hours in. So before I go though, I'm going to go into Dollar Tree and do a tiny vlog about all the Halloween stuff that they have. And yeah, I know, like crap, but anyways, pray for us this weekend. This stupid hurricane supposed to come. This hurricane sucks. Let's go do this Halloween haul because I love Halloween. Alright guys, see you later. But anyway, these are all from the Dollar Tree. I got this Join Our Black Hat Society little sign with a little witch on it. She's so cute. And yes, she's very sparkly. Only $1. I got Come In For A Spell. This other little sign is $1. Has a kind of like a wood look to it. Super cute. I got these little pumpkins. These are from the Dollar Tree. They're kind of like ceramic-y, plastic. That's what these are. They had orange. I think they had black. I know they had different colors, but I got this. It's kind of like an off-white tan, off-white cream color, and this really mossy kind of green color. I like this. I got this little banner of this little skeleton banner. I can't wait. This is for my dad. I got another one. It has little black cats on it. It's Happy Halloween. This one, I think I might put this on my desk too. Cute little signs. I can't wait to use these. This one says Trick or Treat. These are all from the Dollar Tree. And this one says Happy Halloween. Look how cute it is. I love this writing too. Some garland. This one's some spidery garland. And this one has bats on it. It's upside down. I'm gonna decorate here with it. I can't wait to show you guys those, but those are next. These are so cute. These little items I'm gonna show you next. When I saw these at the Dollar Tree, I had to get them. They're little books. This one says Casting Spell. This one says Spell Potions and Creepy Concoctions. I can't talk. And you can open them up and put little things in it. You can give them as gifts and put little like trinkets and treats and whatever else you want in it. But I thought these were adorable. Look how cute they are. Only $1. I got this little mask for my Halloween videos that I'm doing. So I'll create a look and put this mask on. I got this little kitty, a little pumpkin. I'm gonna hang him up probably outside of our door. I got a lot of stuff because I'm a crazy person. I got these cool little drinking glasses. This one's a purple one for me. And I got a black one for Hassan. I got these two little candle holders. They also had these in green and orange. I might go back and get more, I don't know yet. But these are so cute. There's a little haunted house on them. I'm trying to do my best to show you. How do I show you? See the little haunted house? There's a little moon. It's not a moon. It just doesn't go on there. A little haunted house and bats. A little tree, scary spooky tree somewhere. There's a spooky tree. For only $1 too. I got a little witch hat. Not for me, it's gonna go on my shelf because I'm gonna change up my shelf. And I got this little LED light and it has little skulls on it. Super cute. And I think these are the last items I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna have a display shelf in our, kind of like going into our living room, and I'm going to put these little skulls. Look how cute they are. This one's a rainbowy finish, and this one has just a chromatic black finish. So everything else I got from HomeGood's, and I can't wait to show you what I got. Candle I got, it's called Witch's Potion, and it smells like, can you smell it? I think it smells like patchouli, cinnamon, hint of mint, hint of cardamom. If I could say that's a witch's potion, that is exactly what this smells like, and it smells so good. And this was only $7.99 at HomeGood's. Got another candle called Trick or Treat by the same brand, DW Home. Richly scented candle, hand poured. This one smells like, there's apples, pumpkins, pumpkin apple, yeah. I want to say there's even like a little hint of orange too. So I think this Trick or Treat smells like cinnamon, pumpkin apple, and a hint of orange. And I got this little candle holder to put it all in. This was only $5.99 at HomeGood's. Part of their Noir Night Halloween decor. Oh, oops. I also got this from the Dollar Tree too, this little owl. Oops. I got this little owl from HomeGood's. He reminds me of Harry Potter, so that's why I got him. He's so cute. He's got a little magic spell book, his little hairy kind of glasses, his little wand, and his little hat. He's so cute. He was $10, but he was worth it to me because I love Harry Potter so much. And Hedwig, even though this is not Hedwig, kind of looks a little bit like if Dumbledore was an owl. This is what Dumbledore looked like. Dumbledore Harry, I don't know. He's super cute. These I cannot wait to put on the table. Oh my gosh. Look at these candle holders. These candle holders are everything. I got some at Yankee Candle, I think last year or 2 years ago. They will match this perfectly. I cannot wait to put these on our dining room table. They are so cute. These are a little bit pricier. These were $12.99 each. So when I saw them, I had to get them. And they only had 2 out. So I grabbed them as soon as I saw them because I love it. And these are by Broomstick Boulevard candle holders. $12.99. And the last thing I got. Don't judge me. I love her so much. She is my little witch. So pretty. Let me see if I can look how pretty she is. She's got her little dress, her little spider. She's from Bella Lux. That's the company that makes these little cute witches. I love her dress. They had a purple one, but I didn't like the way the purple one's face looked. I want you to see her eyes. Look at her face. They have like lashes on her, pretty purple lipstick, hat. She's just, her black nails, look at her little black nails, her little belt, her hair. I think she's absolutely gorgeous. So that is my little black witch. So that is everything I got in my Halloween haul so far. So I cannot wait for fall to come so I can just decorate my house. Actually, I'm gonna start decorating this weekend. I pray that a storm doesn't come so I don't take it all down. Storms, please don't come here, go away, go somewhere else. So we can enjoy our spookiness in our house and enjoy the haunting seasons, All Hallows Eve, all of it that has to come. I absolutely love it. Can't wait for us to watch Hocus Pocus and just enjoy this season. If you have not, please like and subscribe to my video, ring my bell, and we will see you guys later. Bye everybody!